In the vast expanse of human experience, amidst the tumultuous currents of existence, there exists a beacon of wisdom, an ancient philosophy that beckons to us with its timeless truths and steadfast principles. Stoicism, born from the minds of thinkers like Epictetus, Seneca, and Marcus Aurelius, offers us a roadmap, a blueprint for navigating the labyrinth of life with courage, wisdom, and resilience. Imagine a life where every challenge, every hardship, is met not with a despair or defeat, but with unwavering resolve and inner peace. This is the promise of Stoicism, a philosophy that teaches us to embrace the struggles of life as opportunities for growth, to navigate the turbulent seas of emotion with the steady hand of reason. In our journey towards self-mastery, Stoicism presents us with 20 immutable rules, a compendium of wisdom distilled from the annals of history, passed down through the ages like a sacred torch illuminating the path to enlightenment. Focus on what you can control. In a world teeming with chaos and uncertainty, our power lies not in futilely grasping at the winds of fate, but in directing our attention towards those things within our control, our thoughts, our actions, our attitudes. Accept the nature of things. Life, with all its vicissitudes and uncertainties, is a tapestry woven with threads of joy and sorrow, triumph and tragedy. To resist the immutable laws of existence is to invite suffering, to embrace them, to find peace. Practice virtue. In the pursuit of excellence, let virtue be our guiding star. Let wisdom be our compass, courage our armor, justice our shield, and temperance our anchor in the stormy seas of desire. Live in accordance with nature. Look to the rhythms of the natural world for guidance. Just as the river flows unhindered towards the sea, so too should we align our actions with the cosmic order, finding harmony in the symphony of existence. Practice self-awareness. Delve deep into the recesses of your soul and know thyself, for in self-awareness lies the key to unlocking the shackles of ignorance and illusion to discerning the true nature of reality. Embrace adversity. In the crucible of hardship, forge your character with the fires of resilience and fortitude. For it is through adversity that we are tempered into steel, that we discover the depths of our own strength and resilience. Maintain equanimity. Amidst the turbulence of life's tempests, let not your spirit be swayed. Find peace in the eye of the storm, and remain steadfast in the face of adversity, for true serenity lies not in the absence of chaos, but in our response to it. Be mindful of the present moment. Cast off the chains of regret and anxiety, and anchor yourself in the here and now. For it is in the present moment that life's true beauty unfolds, that we find the richness and fullness of experience. Accept impermanence. Let not the specter of impermanence haunt your days, but rather, embrace the fleeting nature of all things. For in the transience of life lies the seed of liberation, the reminder to cherish each moment as if it were our last. Practice gratitude. Cultivate a spirit of gratitude for the blessings that adorn your path. For in the acknowledgement of abundance, we find contentment and joy, even amidst life's trials and tribulations. Exercise. Reason judgment. Let reason be your guiding light in the darkness of uncertainty. Approach life's labyrinth with clarity of thought and discernment, and let wisdom be your constant companion on the journey. Live simply. Strip away the trappings of excess and find richness in simplicity. For in the pursuit of material wealth lies the path to spiritual poverty, while in the embrace of simplicity lies the true richness of life. Be just and fair. Treat others with the dignity and respect they deserve. Let fairness and compassion be the cornerstones of your interactions with your fellow travelers on this journey, and let empathy be your guiding principle in all things. Seek wisdom. Embark on a quest for knowledge that spans the depths of time and space. For in the acquisition of wisdom, we find the key to unlocking the mysteries of the universe, the answers to life's most profound questions. Practice self-discipline. Master your desires and impulses, and harness them to serve the higher purpose of your soul. For in self-discipline lies the path to true freedom, the liberation from the tyranny of our own desires. Face death. courageously. Embrace the inevitability of your own mortality and let it spur you on to live each day with purpose and passion. For in the shadow of death lies the true meaning of life, the reminder to seize each moment as if it were our last. Value. Friendship. Cultivate deep and meaningful connections with your fellow travelers on this journey. For in the bonds of friendship, we find strength, support, and solace, the reminder that we are not alone in our struggles. Be resilient. Let not the winds of adversity break your spirit, but rather, let them strengthen your resolve. For in the crucible of hardship, true resilience is forged, the reminder that we are capable of weathering any storm. Be content with little. Find joy in the simple pleasures that adorn your path. For in the pursuit of material wealth lies the path to spiritual poverty, while in the embrace of simplicity lies the true richness of life. Live with purpose. Define your mission and purpose in life, and let it be the guiding star that lights your way through the darkness. For in the pursuit of meaning, we find the true essence of our existence, the reminder that our lives have meaning and purpose beyond ourselves. In the crucible of life's trials and tribulations, let Stoicism be your guiding light, a beacon of hope amidst the stormy seas of existence. For in the embrace of its timeless truths lies the promise of a life lived with courage, wisdom, and inner peace.